Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Fashion Hair Studio. How are you all? I hope my all viewers and my all subscribers fine and enjoying their lives. Dear viewers, today's video's collection is all about beautiful and amazing haircuts and hairstyles designs ideas. Dear viewers, in today's videos you will see different hair cutting styles and haircuts collection and the designs. Dear viewers, in today's video you also will see different classical designers haircuts like short pixie bob haircuts, undercuts and side cuts, and also a head shave. Dear viewers, if you like all of these forced head shapes, blonde hair colors and hairstyles, pixie bob haircuts collection, then also please tell me in the comment section how was this video and designs, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and more collection. And dear viewers, I suggest you to please keep watching this video till the end. When you watch this video till the end, you will know about all the latest designers haircuts and hairstyles ideas from this video. So dear viewers, you will see haircuts for every ages of women to look beautiful and younger. So cut their hairs according to your choice and according to your age and styles and make you look beautiful and stunning. So keep watching this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more. And dear viewers, thank you for watching my videos. See you soon again with another video and another collections of beautiful and stylish natural haircuts and hairstyles designs ideas for you.